Nassim Nicholas Taleb is a Lebanese-American essayist, mathematical statistician, former option trader, risk analyst, and aphorist. His work concerns problems of randomness, probability, and uncertainty. Taleb is the author of The Incerto, a 5-volume philosophical essay on uncertainty published between 2001 and 2018, notably, The Black Swan and Anti-Fragile. Taleb criticized the risk management methods used by the finance industry and warned about financial crises, subsequently profiting from the late 2000s financial crisis. He advocates what he calls a Black Swan robust society, meaning a society that can withstand difficult-to-predict events. He proposes what he has termed anti-fragility in systems, that is, an ability to benefit and grow from a certain class of random events, errors, and volatility. Him is famous for the Black Swan Theory but also for the application of the Barbell strategy of investment. The Black Swan Theory is a metaphor that describes an event that comes as a surprise, has a major effect, and is often inappropriately rationalized after the fact with the benefit of hindsight. The theory was developed by Taleb to explain the disproportionate role of high-profile, hard-to-predict, and rare events that are beyond the realm of normal expectations in history, science, finance. The theory suggests that what you don't know is far more important than what you do know, and that events that are difficult to predict can have real-world implications. Black swan events are considered outliers because there is no past data which can point towards their occurrence in the foreseeable future. 2. The Barbell strategy. Barbell strategy refers to an investment strategy where an investor invests in both very safe assets and very risky assets while avoiding assets with moderate risk. Taleb argues that this strategy allows investors to benefit from both safe investments and high-risk investments while avoiding moderate risk investments. Particularly about the barbell strategy is an investment strategy that suggests that the best way to strike a balance between reward and risk is to invest in the two extremes of high-risk and no-risk assets while avoiding middle choices. The strategy is based on the idea that investors should invest in both very safe assets and very risky assets while avoiding assets with moderate risk. The barbell strategy is commonly used for fixed income investing, but can also be used in equity markets. The barbell strategy is a way to balance risk and reward by investing in high-risk and low-risk assets while eschewing more middle-risk options. The strategy involves investing in two types of assets. One basket holds only extremely safe investments, while the other holds only highly leveraged and speculative investments. This approach famously allowed Nassim Nicholas Taleb to thrive during the 2007 to 2008 economic downturn while many of his fellow Wall Streeters floundered. Taleb described the barbell strategy's underlying principle this way. If you know that you are vulnerable to prediction errors, and accept that most risk measures are flawed, then your strategy is to be as hyper-conservative and hyper-aggressive as you can be, instead of being mildly aggressive or conservative. When applied to fixed income investing, the barbell strategy advises pairing short-term bonds with long-term bonds. The result gives the investor a cushion of long-term bonds in case yields fall, and a chance to do better if short-term yields rise. The barbell strategy can also be applied to equity markets by investing in both very safe stocks and very risky stocks, such as small biotechnology companies, while avoiding stocks with moderate risk. Thanks for your time and see you soon in this channel for further contents.